Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this semicircle with the center P fully inscribed in a quarter circle with the center O, as you can see in this given diagram. And moreover, we got this chord AB, and this chord is 8 units long. And furthermore, this chord intersects this semicircle at this point C, such that this segment AC is equal to this segment BC. And now our task is to calculate the area of this yellow shaded region. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. We can see that this AO is the radius of this quarter circle. So I'm going to label this one as our lowercase r, and likewise this OB is the radius of the very same quarter circle. So this is going to be lowercase r as well. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this right triangle AOB. And we can see that this is an isosceles triangle, since this side length is lowercase r, and likewise this side length is lowercase r as well. And now we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 8 units, whereas our two other legs are lowercase r and lowercase r as well. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got lowercase r square plus lowercase r square equals to 8 square. So on the left hand side, this is going to give us 2r square equal to 64. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and we can see this 2 and 2 is gone. So therefore r square turns out to be equal to 32 on the right hand side. Now I'm going to undo this square by taking a square root on both sides, and here we can see this square and square root is gone. So therefore our radius lowercase r is going to be equal to 4 times square root of 2 units. So thus our radius r turns out to be 4 times square root of 2. So therefore this radius OB is going to be 4 times square root of 2, and likewise this radius AO is going to be 4 times square root of 2 as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this AO is the diameter of this semicircle, and that diameter is 4 times square root of 2. So therefore its radius, this AP, is going to be half of this diameter. So this is going to be 2 times square root of 2. And likewise this OP is going to be 2 times square root of 2 as well. And here in this next step, I have connected this center P with this point C. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this triangle APC and this big triangle AOB are similar triangles. So therefore this angle has got to be 90 degrees. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this PC is the radius of this semicircle, and we know the radius is 2 times square root of 2. So therefore this PC length is going to be 2 times square root of 2. And as a result, we are ended up with another quarter circle, as you can see, whose radius is 2 times square root of 2. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this yellow shaded region area is going to be equal to the area of this big right triangle AOB, this big right triangle area, minus the area of this smaller right triangle. We are talking about this right triangle, and the area of this small blue quarter circle, this blue quarter circle as well. So therefore now our task is to calculate the area of the triangle AOB, the area of the triangle APC, and finally the area of this blue quarter circle as well. And now in this next step, now we are going to calculate the area of this big right triangle AOB. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times base times the height. And in our case, the base of this triangle AOB is 4 times square root of 2. And likewise, the height of this triangle is 4 times square root of 2 as well. So therefore, the area of this triangle AOB is going to be a half times our base is 4 times square root of 2 times the height is 4 times square root of 2 as well. And if we simplify everything on the right hand side, that is going to give us 16 square units. So thus the area of this triangle AOB turns out to be 16. And now we are going to calculate the area of the other triangle APC. And we are going to use the very same area of a triangle formula. And in our case, over here, the base of this triangle is 2 times square root of 2. And the height is 2 times square root of 2 as well. So therefore, the area of this triangle APC is going to be a half times 2 times square root of 2 times likewise 2 times square root 2 as well. And if we simplify everything on the right hand side, this turns out to be 4 square units. And now we are going to calculate the area of this quarter circle, the blue quarter circle. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula, area equal to pi r square, where r is the radius. And since we are dealing with this quarter circle, so therefore the area of the quarter circle is going to be this area pi r square, and we are going to divide it by 4. And the radius of this blue quarter circle is 2 times square root of 2. So therefore the area of this blue quarter circle is going to be pi divided by 4 times 2 times square root of 2 whole square. And here if we take a square of this 2 times square root of 2, that is going to give us 8. So therefore we can write pi divided by 4 times 8, and that is going to be equal to 2 times pi square units. So therefore the area of this blue quarter circle turns out to be 2 times pi. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this yellow shaded region. And now let's recall this equation once again. The yellow shaded region area equals to the triangle AOB area, and we already figured it out as 16. I'm going to substitute over here. The area of the triangle APC is 4. I'm going to substitute over here. And finally, this blue quarter circle area as 2 pi. So I'm going to substitute 2 pi over here. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So the yellow shaded region area is going to be 16 minus 4 minus 2 times pi. And now let's simplify the right hand side. That is going to give us 12 minus 2 pi square units. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this yellow shaded region turns out to be 12 minus 2 pi square units. And that is going to be approximately equal to 5.72 square units as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.